In this video, I'll show you how to build an automated AI agent in Base44 to keep you updated on the latest tech news. Let's get started. I begin on the Base44 home screen and click on Super Agents in the left-hand sidebar to access the agent creation suite. From here, I'll select Create a new super agent to start from scratch. Once the chat interface loads, I type my request into the message bar. I'm asking the AI to create a data scraping agent that reviews tech news blogs once a week and outputs a formatted list of updates to a document file. After I hit enter, the AI begins processing the request. It suggests a plan using sources like Hacker News, TechCrunch, and The Verge with a weekly schedule. First, I need to install the Web Artifacts Builder skill as prompted. Once that's ready, I tell the agent to build the scraping skill and set up the weekly automation. To ensure everything is working correctly, I ask the agent to run a test. The agent successfully fetches the top stories from Hacker News and TechCrunch, though it notes a small adjustment is needed for The Verge. After a quick fix, all three sources are working perfectly. Now, I finalize the setup. The agent creates the weekly Tech News Digest automation, which is scheduled to run every Monday at 8 a.m. It will scrape the top 10 stories from each site and output a formatted markdown file for me to download. The agent even generates the first week's digest immediately. When I click the download link, it opens a clean, well-organized document featuring the top headlines and article links from across the tech world. My new AI agent is now active and ready to handle my weekly research automatically. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.